First update of Figma. Fixed panels are so back. Floating panels are out. There will be no padding, such looking, odd looking UI in the app or in the software, Figma software itself. Next is auto layout update. Swap between fill container and hug container even in a faster rate. You can see in the video itself. You can easily change to fill and hug container very easily. The third one is like rotate any object or any parent component to see the new beautiful illusion like structure by using a shortcut key called Command D in Figma itself. It creates a beautiful illusion. The fourth one is like one size thumbnail for any field type moving forward, only 16:9 or no more 5:3. You can resize your thumbnail according to your artboard size itself. It's very easy. Last but not in the list, you can get a view of great new mockups of mobile phones and tablet. Also having smartwatches implemented as a prototype version in Figma updates. Great to see you.